Stop squinting.
What?
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Samaya, also known as Slaymiyayt.
What's up, world?
So he watched one of my videos and he couldn't take any notes. He said he got it.
You know, notes.
So let's just jump right into it. I don't have any makeup on except for my eyebrows. Should I take them off or should I?
I'm gonna enhance them. I'm gonna enhance them.
He's just gonna enhance them. Yeah, so I got all my stuff in boxes because y'all know I'm in college, so I just got stuff like in boxes. And he's just gonna, you know, do
We bought you better boxes.
No, you didn't.
Where the rest of the money go?
I don't know.
Okay, so first, are you cool with the matte look?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, we'd like to use more Morphe.
What are you doing first?
Isn't this the brand introduction?
Okay.
I'm gonna add some contour to your eyebrows. Make it a little more robust. We'll make them a little robust.
Robust?
Yeah.
What did I use to do my eyebrows?
The eyebrow pencil. The pencil.
Okay.
The pencil's not in here.
You wanna make me pick it out?
Yeah, pick it out for me.
Okay. Alright, I have to cheat for him a little bit. That's okay.
Alright.
That's the only thing I'm cheating on.
Alright.
You get 3 cheats. Now you have 2 left.
Alright. The lifelines, they like lifelines?
Yeah.
Alright, first, we need to establish a steady base for your chin. Okay, you got the chin base. And then we want to do SO. Do it.
Why are you doing it so gentle?
No, we want to swipe. It's got to be gentle. You
What kind of like shape am I?
Well, we want to go for an elongated ovular shape. You got a little bit of new growth.
New growth?
Yeah, a little bit. Look that way, but don't turn your head. Yeah, stay just like that. Keep your eyes that way. Now close that one. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Now say, do you smell what the rock is? Alright, okay. So that's the eyebrows.
You didn't even do anything professional.
No, I got it. I got it.
Dad.
This is professional. From
Yeah,
the
tell
good
the
folks,
people,
the good folks at NYX. Their motto is, if you let your dad do this, you're a dang fool. NYX. This is your LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is excellent for cheekbones, your landscape of your forehead, and also for drywall, for spots in your drywall.
Come on.
Is it going on there? How do you like that?
It's nothing going on.
It is, it actually is. Look at it. Look at
What's
it.
the next step?
Next step, we want to go to your cheeks. We want to add some concealer, and we want to blend in the powder to conceal what we just did to the contour. Okay. And how many lifelines I got?
1 left.
Got one. I'm saving that one. I'm saving that one. Now, do you want the perfectly real makeup, or you want to look a little bit imperfect?
I want to be perfect.
So you say imperfect. I like to apply this straight out of the bottom. Some stylists want to, will do it the other way. Now, what we want to do now is we're going to conceal the perfectly real makeup into the indentations of her cheekbones.
The what am I cheekbones?
The indentations. I said it right the first time. You're not going anywhere tonight, are you?
No.
Good. Good. Just a touch of rose to the outline of the
You don't even have to say it.
And how many lifelines I got left?
1.
1 lifeline. Let's hold on to that. Do you don't want contour? It's cold.
No, I do.
It's winter.
I do.
Write in and tell me if I'm wrong. Did you not ask for contour? Okay. Apply it to the nape. Blend that in. Okay. Lovely.
What are you trying to make? I want to be pretty.
You are. You are.
I feel like a little.
In the eyes of God. Wait. Okay. It's not an eraser. Okay. Okay. Now you can tell where the cheek begins and the chin ends.
So if I went out like this, you wouldn't be like embarrassed? Because sometimes he be telling me that my makeup looks red.
Looks a little red sometimes.
He be like, I look red.
Looks a little red sometimes.
Now I look brown.
Well, brown is beautiful. Red is dead. Now this facial spray, So you don't actually put it on the face. You allow the mist to trap. See? Okay. And the last one, you spray it, and then you put your face in it.
Stop!
We want a little better than some. Hey, you gonna put this up right in the crease. I'm trying to add contour to the crease. That's important for the pinky to be up. It adds balance. Lovely. Tell me why you use the Mario Badusky.
The what?
The Mario Badusky. But that scoop? Self applicating?
No, you have to put glue on it.
Oh, Maya, you want to trust me with glue on your eye? You got a death wish. Oh, wow. That's gorgeous. That's brownie bite.
Does that look like it will highlight my face?
Yeah, it's gonna highlight the
He
heck
said
out
brownie
you.
bite.
Brownie bite.
This is brownie bite.
You blinking a little too fast. Don't blink fast. You ain't supposed to blink fast.
All right.
There we go. Yeah, we're gonna use a little brownie bite.
Brownie bite for highlight.
Yeah.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Well, keep your eyes closed. You're beautiful.
Thank you.
Don't you let anybody else tell you different.
I won't.
Regardless of how you look when we finish this, you're my baby. You're beautiful.
Thank you.
They
Lashes okay?
They look great.
I feel like they touch my
They're
eyebrows.
not touching your eyebrows.
You don't think it's too much?
No, you just have to blink a little slower.
Are they with the fall off?
They're not. They're not. Huh?
Okay, it still looks bad, but what were you going for here?
Okay.
20 thumbs up, and I'll do his makeup.
Nah. Nah.
20.
If you get at least 30 likes, you got it.
Okay.
30 likes.
All right. Well, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Deuces. That looks good.
Honestly, though.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Why? How you gonna get me once the camera's off? Hold on. Why you look like you about to swing on me once the camera's off? The camera's still rolling.
I know.
Y'all caught the threat. Y'all caught the threat.
Oh, she got lashes.
See?
They look good, Mom.
Oh. Hold on. Say it again, Lisa.
They look good.
Why is all my family lying to me?
Why's your lash coming off?
It ain't coming off.
You gotta talk to my makeup artist about that.
I'm a single father.
Good
Two sons. I've been raising for the past 10 years on my own. Growing up, my mom, she dealt with a whole lot of
coming off.
addiction.
This ain't about being nice. This ain't about being